This is the circuit diagram of RAN alarm or RAN detector. Let me tell you the mechanism of this circuit. Here this is the 9-volt battery, positive rail, and these are the grounds. These are two sensing probes. This is the BC547 transistor. This one is the PNP transistor BC558. This is 100 kilo ohm resistor. This is the Zener diode acting as a regulator for UM66 IC. This is the UM66 IC 100 ohm resistor, and you can use any of the transistor here, 2N3904 or BC548. So this is the LED for indicating 220 ohm resistor and 8 ohm speaker. Now I am going to tell you about the circuit. Whenever these two probes, the RAN touch these two probes, or these are the actually sensing plates. Whenever the water drop touch the plates, this transistor here act as the amplifier, small signal amplifier. So when this 0.7 volt pass comes here, the collector to emitter current start flowing. So this is the PNP transistor. It takes the negative voltage. So when negative voltage come here, the voltage start flowing from emitter to collector. Here this Zener diode act as voltage regulator because the UM66 IC operates from the 2 to 5 volts. So it gives this approximately 5 volts or 4 volts. This is the first pin of the UM66 IC. It is connected to ground. The second one is the VCC, I mean the power voltage, and the third pin of the UM66 is the output pin. And this transistor is used as gain amplifier. It amplifies the voltage and gave to speaker because 8 ohm speaker takes higher voltage. And this is the LED, and it indicates that it is running. And the speaker is also as an indicating element. It generates sounds whenever the RAN is detected. So that's it. Now I am going to show you the hardware of this circuit. So this is the BC547 transistor. This one is the BC558 and PNP transistor. This one is the UM66 IC, and this is the 100 kilo ohm resistor. This one is the BC548 transistor. And the output of this circuit is going to the speaker. This one is the speaker. Now this circuit is used as the amplifier circuit because I need the louder sound of the circuit, and you don't need this circuit. You just need the two wires and connect to the speaker. So let's check this circuit. If you have any problem while implementing this circuit, just ask the question.